Hey y'all, so I'm going to switch it up a little bit today and do a gear video and share with y'all 5 items that I got from Amazon that I would absolutely buy again. I figured good time with Prime Day coming up to give y'all some ideas if you're thinking about buying or trying to get some good deals on some camping items. So first off is my Sawure Squeeze. So this is a camping, backpacking, survival, preparedness, storm preparedness, all of the above item that would be great to keep on hand no matter what you're wanting to use it for. I use it regularly, so number 2 is these Reliance Aquatainers. So I'll fill these up with whatever water I can get that is potable, like city type water, and keep those in the back of my camper. I have two of them, including this one, and then I have one more that's 5 gallons. That's a different shape, so it kind of fits in a different spot. But anyways, I'll fill it up, and it may be 3 or 4 or 5 days before I actually get around to start using the water. I don't know if something started growing in it or anything like that, so I always run it through my drinking water through this Sawure Squeeze. So and then again, if I'm camping by a stream or a creek, I can go get all my drinking water out of the creek, filter it with this, and then save my city water is what I'll call it, kind of conserve that if I'm going to be staying somewhere for a little bit longer, or maybe I want to take a shower or something like that. So yeah, number 1, Sawure Squeeze. Number 2, 7-gallon blue Reliance Aquatainer. Pretty self-explanatory. Water is very important. So, and then something you can make with that water, coffee. I think that's probably one of the more important things every morning for most people who are camping. It's making a nice cup of coffee. Well, good thing it's stainless steel and durable. See, not even a scratch. The Defiance, it's a coffee press and travel mug in one. Obviously, I don't need to explain what a travel mug is, but let's get this unscrewed. Hold on, so I got that unscrewed. You can see it has this French press mesh cylinder that goes inside. Just put your coffee grounds in the bottom here, pour in your hot water, put this on and push it down, and then you're good to go with coffee. You only have one thing that you have to clean up and one thing to carry around. If I'm going on a short trip, I'll get my scoop and a little baggie, put it in there, and then it's all just in one little container. And then that was number 3. So number 4 is this little battery powered weather radio. So it's rechargeable with a regular USB-C, but it also is a mini power bank. So it has a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, so you can charge your phone off of it. And it has a little solar panel and a little crank thing just in case you're out of power or something like that. You can still at least get the weather radio, but it's not just a weather radio. It has AM, FM, weather band, and SW, which I haven't figured out what SW is, but if you know, let me know. So weather radio, rechargeable weather radio. And last but not least is a small compact folding table. So this is one that I was looking at for quite a while. I kept it in my cart. It was like $75, and there's no way that I could justify spending that much on a little table like this. So I kept it in my cart and was thinking it over, and then boom, it dropped down to like $40, and I went ahead and bought it. So if I were you, I wouldn't pay more than $40 for it. So just put it in your cart and wait on it to drop in price if it's not already there, or if it doesn't go there for Prime Day. So yeah, those are 5 simple but useful camping items, pretty low budget items that can help with your camping trips and make things a little bit easier and more comfortable while you're out in the woods. So hope y'all enjoyed that, and if I'm going to leave all of the links to everything here, all the Amazon links, in the description. So if you want to check them out, check out those links below, and like, subscribe, check out my boondocking videos here, and hope y'all have a good 4th.